When it comes to weight loss, experts agree that it is 30% exercise and 70% diet. So, why not push your diet that extra mile with some, dare we say, baking soda? Now, some of you may be wondering how plain old baking soda could have an impact on anything else other than, well, baking. But studies show that this wondrous white powder can not only help you win the war against fat, but also contribute in relieving upset stomachs, heartburn, and neutralizing any excess acid from your tummy. It would be remiss of us, however, if we didn't provide a word of caution. Though baking soda has plenty of benefits, it's best advised to use it in small amounts. Anything above 5-10 grams could negatively impact your blood pH levels. If you happen to suffer from any kidney or heart-related disease, chronic illness, diabetes or high blood pressure, please consult your doctor before you try this. 1. Make a baking soda drink. Your daily sports drink is probably doing you more harm than you'd imagine. Persistent consumption is reportedly associated with the development of type 2 diabetes. Opt for a baking soda drink as an alternative. Not only can this healthier option easily supersede those sugar-loaded drinks, but it can also boost your physical performance. In fact, if you happen to be performing a high-intensity workout, baking soda produces even more beneficial results. For making a power-packed baking soda drink, you will need the following. 1/4 cup honey. 1/4 tablespoons baking soda. 1/2 cup lemon juice. 1/2 tablespoon sea salt. 5 cups coconut water. On a low flame, heat the coconut water and add baking soda. After it has dissolved, mix in the rest of the ingredients and then pour the final product into your sports bottle. 2. Baking soda and lemon juice. Lemon juice can boost your metabolism. And studies will back us up when we say that combining the wonders of baking soda, lemon juice, and water can definitely improve your chances of getting rid of the fat. To make your very own homemade baking soda and lemon juice drink, go ahead and grab the following. 1 glass of mineral water. 1 regular-sized lemon. 1/2 tablespoons of baking soda. Using a lemon squeezer, extract the juice from the lemon in a glass. Pour in the glass of water, and mix the baking soda into it. Voila! Your baking soda lemonade is ready. It is recommended you drink this every morning to see optimum weight loss results. 3. Baking soda and green tea drink. Green tea not only boosts brain functioning, but also notably reduces your risk for type 2 diabetes, enhances dental health, and, most impressively, burns your fat. Combining the metabolism-increasing powers of green tea along with the fat-busting properties of baking soda could help you improve your chances of losing weight and burning fat significantly. To make a baking soda infused in green tea drink, you will require the following. Organic green tea any brand. A glass of water. 1/4 tablespoons baking soda. Firstly, prepare a warm cup of green tea by adding the green tea mix to a warm cup of water. Then, add the baking soda and mix well. Once the fizz has settled, sip it and watch those pounds melt. 4. Baking soda and strawberry smoothie. Who told you that being healthy can't simultaneously be a treat? Well, add baking soda to a decadent strawberry smoothie, and indulge yourself. Strawberries are known to help boost your body's metabolism and also suppress your appetite. Added bonus? 1 cup of strawberries possess a mere 46 calories. For a delicious baking soda plus strawberry smoothie, grab the following. 2 cups water. 2 lemons. Mint leaves. 1 cup strawberries. 1/2 tablespoons baking soda. Toss all the above ingredients in your blender and ta-da! You're done. Add some ice for a refreshing coolness. Burning fat has never been more fun. You're welcome. 5. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar, in combination with baking soda, can do wonders for your body. Not only does this low-calorie drink boost your metabolism, but it also suppresses your appetite. For a baking soda with apple cider vinegar drink, grab the following: 1 glass water, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1/2 tablespoons baking soda. Mix all the above ingredients in a glass, and consume every morning. Drink it 20-30 minutes before your breakfast for optimum results.